Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 7 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start chapter number 31, Essay Writing. An essay is a literary composition, usually prose and short, and any given subject. An essay is a written composition giving expression to one's own personal ideas or opinions. Literally, it means an attempt to express one's own views on a given topic. तो बच्चों जो भी हमें टॉपिक दिया जाता है हम उस पर जो अपने आइडियाज़ या अपने एक्सप्रेशंस शो करते हैं उन्हें ही हम एसेज कहते हैं. अ गुड एसे हैज़ अ प्रॉपर इंट्रोडक्शन. एक प्रॉपर इंट्रोडक्शन होना चाहिए, हमारा स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. अ कंटेंट हैविंग यूनिटी, फ्लुएंसी एंड कंसाइसली रिटन, नॉट टू लॉन्ग. ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं होना चाहिए. एक हमारे वर्ड्स में फ्लुएंसी होनी चाहिए, हमारे सेंटेंसेस में यूनिटी होनी चाहिए, कंक्लूजन होना चाहिए एंड स्टिक टू वन टेंस. ओके. यूज कोडर. कोडर का मतलब है कलेक्ट योर आइडियाज, ऑर्गेनाइज द आइडियाज, ड्राफ्ट द आइडियाज, एडिट द ड्राफ्ट एंड री राइट. कुछ सैम्पल्स आपको यहाँ दिए हुए हैं. सैम्पल 1 इज डिसिप्लिन. लेट्स रीड इट. तो आपको पता चलेगा कि किस तरह से ऐसे आपको लिखने होते हैं. Discipline is a sure way to success. Even a genius may prove to be failure without discipline. What is discipline? It may be defined as one's ability to adapt oneself to a uniform, controlled and regular form of work and behavior. True discipline is self-imposed. Discipline out of fear is not the real discipline. It is an essential part of our life. If we look around us, we will find that discipline in the law of nature itself. The whole universe with its planets and galaxies moves in a disciplined manner. If nature were to break this law, there would be catastrophic disaster. In the same way, if we don't follow discipline, you face some loss or the other. So, discipline basically begins with the desire to do the best in every walk of life. Students who are disciplined achieve the best results, not only in academics but also in co-curricular activities. The life of a person becomes dull and inactive in the absence of discipline. There is chaos everywhere. We need to be disciplined at every step of life. Discipline is the ladder by which we can achieve success. It helps us to focus on our goals and aims of life. It helps us not to derivate from our goals. It brings perfection in our life by training and educating the mind and body. We ultimately become ideal human beings and citizens. In short, discipline is the ladder to success. So, इसी तरह से बच्चों एक सारे वर्ड्स को यूनाइट करते हुए उनको बहुत ही कहते हैं ना कॉन्टिन्यूटी में, फ्लुएंसी में लिखते हुए एक टेंस के साथ आप एक इफेक्टिव ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. सेकेंड सैम्पल यहाँ पर आपको दिया हुआ है द एलिफेंट. द थर्ड वन इज अ हाउस ऑन फायर. द फोर्थ वन इज द वैल्यू ऑफ योगा and the fifth one is Mahatma Gandhi. So ये सारे samples आपको पढ़ने हैं and then you will come to know that how to write an effective essay. After reading all these samples, you will be given essays topic for writing. So write essays. फिर से बोल रही हूँ. After reading all these samples, here are some topics for you. Okay, so आपको इन पर essay writing की practice करना है and the topics are my favorite game, my hobby, a picnic, a journey by train. सबसे पहले आपको effective introduction देना है, उसके बाद आपने उसे start करना है and then you will give a conclusion to end your essay. Okay, so this chapter ends here children. I hope that this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.